Nobody asked, but I'm gonna put y'all on anyway. What I've been using to grow my hair is the actual aloe vera plant. I spoon it out, I put it in my hair right before I get it washed. And girls, if you're wearing weaves and wigs, braid aloe vera in with your hair. It's the best moisturizer and it keeps the hair sealed. Boys, you wanna see better curls in your 4C hair? Put aloe vera in your hair. I'm telling you, it's the best thing. Like God's gift to earth, literally. It's a plant. How you cut the aloe for the hair? You're gonna need an aloe leaf, a glass, a cup, a bowl, a knife. And this is like an espresso spoon, but any spoon works. Aloe leaves vary in size, but what you want to do is cut the perfect square, and then you're gonna cut off the spiky edges. And once you're done with that, you're gonna cut the aloe in half. And you're gonna just scrape down. This is the best way. The smaller the spoon, the better, if you ask me. Just really get to it. Some aloe falling into the cup. Some people like to seep their aloe, I don't. I personally will put all this slimy goo right directly into my hair and let it sit for a night, like a whole day, or the night. And just boom, until you can't go no more, until you hit the back of that leaf. So yeah, somewhere on the body, it's all good. And the same thing, and you repeat it to all these pieces. Aloe is great for your skin and your hair. I like to use it once a week, the day before I get my silk press. Put it in my hair overnight, and I'll sleep with a shower cap. And guys, you can add aloe vera to your hair with gel for your curly froze. But it's a really good deep conditioner, and it's also good for your hair, clean your hair every day. It really defines the curls. Okay, see that? It's a little slippery. You just want to spoon that thing. I mean, spoon it harder than anything you've ever spooned before. And then you're gonna be left with something like this, slimy, gooey substance. And I say just part the hair in sections.